Hello class, how are you? I hope you all are good. Today we'll start with a new chapter, cloud computing. So cloud computing is the current hype of the IT industry. It is accessing on-demand services via internet such as software, storage or even the infrastructure. It is a technology that provides resources and services over the internet. So let's plug in the chapter. Introduction to cloud computing. Google Drive. Let's just start the chapter.
Introduction to Cloud Computing. Cloud computing is the current hype of the information technology industry. Cloud computing is accessing on-demand computing resources via the internet, such as software, storage and even infrastructure. Just think what all things we would need if we want to set up an IT company. First, we would need an office space, hardware like computers and servers, and software to run the hardware. Then we would need round-the-clock electricity to run our computers, cooling system and experts to manage the business. All of these require a lot of capital investments. And there is always a risk of the business not doing well and incurring losses. We can minimize expenses and risks by using cloud computing. Cloud computing is a technology that provides resources and services over the internet. To cloud compute is to use remote computing resources via broadband connections with the goal of maximizing computing and minimizing cost. Resources include email messages, schedules, music, photos, videos, games, websites, programs, web apps, servers, storage and more. Services include accessing software and storing files online. Instead of accessing these resources and services locally on our computer, we can access them on the cloud. Many users choose cloud storage instead of storing data locally on a hard drive or other media. Cloud storage is an internet service that provides storage facility to computer users. Some of these resources and services are free and some are paid. With cloud computing, users can access files and use applications from any device that can access the internet. Advantages of cloud computing. There are many advantages of cloud computing. People prefer them for variety of reasons. It is probably the most cost-efficient method to use, maintain and upgrade. It eliminates the capital expense of buying hardware and software and other infrastructure. It allows users to get large storage capacity for storing data and information. It allows users to access files on the internet from any computer or device that has internet access. It makes data backup easier and less expensive. It allows users to view time-critical data and images immediately while away from the office or location. Users can allow others to access their files on the internet instead of sending the file to them via an email message. Cloud Service Provider (CSP). Cloud computing is a technology that provides various services to computer users via internet. If a user does not have enough storage on a personal computer, storage on the cloud can be utilized. There are service providers that provide paid services. Many organizations like Microsoft Azure, Amazon Web Services (AWS) and Google Cloud Platform have started implementing cloud services. Flickr provides cloud to upload images on its server. Google Docs is used to create documents online. Google Drive is used to store work online. All these services are available on the cloud. Microsoft Azure, Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud Platform, Flickr, Google Docs, Google Drive. Characteristics of cloud computing. An organization can run its applications on a shared data center using cloud computing. We need to log in with a username and a password to use an application that runs on the cloud. Look at the major characteristics of cloud computing: on-demand self-service, automation, resiliency and availability, multi-tenancy, flexibility, comfortable payment structure, service excellence, resources pooling. On-demand self-service, it is one of the significant and essential features of cloud computing. It enables the client to constantly monitor the server uptime, abilities, and allotted network storage abilities as per his needs without requiring human interaction. Automation. Automation is the ability of cloud computing to automatically install, configure, and maintain a cloud service. It thereby reduces manual effort. Resiliency and availability. A cloud's resilience is measured by how fast its servers, databases, and network system restarts and recovers from any kind of harm or damage. Since cloud services can be accessed remotely, there is no geographic restriction or limitation when it comes to utilizing cloud resources. Multi-tenancy. It is a software architecture that allows a single program instance to serve several user groups. The numerous cloud provider customers are sharing the same computing resources. Multi-tenancy keeps the data of each cloud customer completely separate and safe. Flexibility. The company must scale as the competition develops. With cloud computing, companies can scale up the resources as computing need increases and scale down the resources as computing need decreases. This eliminates the need of large investments in the infrastructure. Comfortable payment structure. The payment structure is critical since it aids in the cost-cutting process. In the cloud computing, our computer resources are measured, and we only pay for the resources that we use. Service excellence. Cloud computing ensures that users receive the highest level of service possible. The benefits outlined must include continuous availability and comprehensive resources, performance and bandwidth. Resource pooling. Resource pooling allows cloud providers to pool large-scale IT resources to serve multiple cloud consumers. The cloud enables multiple users to enter and use data within the particular software hosted in the cloud at the same time, from any location, and at any time. Types of cloud. Types of cloud. Public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, community cloud. Private cloud. A private cloud consists of cloud computing resources used exclusively by one business or organization. It is a proprietary architecture subscribed to by an organization. This is protected by security to form a barrier against the outside world and to access hosted services from the private cloud. Public cloud. Public clouds are the most common type of cloud computing deployment. A public cloud is not proprietary of any organization. The cloud resources are owned and operated by a third-party CSP and delivered over the Internet. The services provided in these clouds can be accessed by any organization or individual. Hybrid cloud. The hybrid cloud is evolving to include edge workloads as well. In a hybrid cloud, the services are offered to a limited and well-defined number of users. The hybrid cloud allows the Internet to be used as a desktop. It is a combination of private and public cloud. Community cloud. In community cloud, the services are offered to a group of organizations or community with common interests. Cloud service models. The cloud service providers provide different services based on different capabilities. These services are based on a pay-as-you-go model. Consumers and organizations rely on cloud computing services to manage IT infrastructure, provide software applications, create, test, and deploy applications using web-based development tools. Software as a Service SaaS. Platform as a Service PaaS. Hardware as a Service HaaS. Infrastructure as a Service IaaS. Infrastructure as a Service IaaS, IaaS provides IT infrastructure like servers, storage, network operating systems over the internet on pay-as-you-go basis. It is the most flexible cloud computing model and allows companies to scale storage, processing power or bandwidth up or down as needed. For example, retailers may need to increase to accommodate additional traffic to their websites during festive seasons. When the season ends, retailers can easily reduce these settings. Software as a Service SaaS. SaaS is a method for delivering software applications over the internet, on demand and typically, on a subscription basis. HaaS, Hardware as a Service. Hardware as a Service HaaS is a procurement model that is similar to leasing or licensing, in which hardware that belongs to a managed service provider MSP is installed at a customer's site, and a service level agreement (SLA) defines the responsibilities of both parties. Platform as a Service PaaS. PaaS provides a cloud platform and allows developers to create, test and run their program without having to purchase the hardware and software. Google Drive. Google Drive is a cloud storage service developed by Google. We can store our files online in Google Drive and can access them from anywhere around the globe. It provides 15 gigabytes of free Google Online storage to keep important files, folders, backups, etc. We can edit and make changes to these files anytime, and can share files with anyone. We can even access the drive through number of devices such as PC, Mac, iPhone, iPad and Android devices. Opening Google Drive. Follow the steps to start Google Drive. Step 1. Open Google in the web browser. In the Google page, click on Sign In. Google account page will appear. Step 2. Type the login ID and the password. Password will appear in the form of black dots. The login ID and password are same as that of our Gmail account. Step 3. Click on Next button. Google page appears again with our login details. Step 4. Click on Google Apps icon. A list of all Google apps appears. Step 5. Click on Drive. Google Drive window appears. The file created in Google Docs is stored in here. After finishing our work in Google Drive, we must log out from it. Uploading file or folder. We can easily upload any file or folder from our computer hard drive to Google Drive. Follow the steps to upload file to Google Drive. Step 1. Click on New. A drop-down menu appears. Step 2. Click on File Upload. Choose File to Upload dialog box appears. Step 3. Navigate and click on the desired file to upload. Step 4. Click on Open. The selected file is uploaded to Google Drive. Organizing file and folder. Folders help us to organize the files in Google Drive. In the folder, the files are easier to locate whenever we need them. Most folders contain files and subfolders. Follow the steps to create a folder. Step 1. Click on New. A drop-down menu appears. Step 2. Click on Folder or press Shift plus F. New folder box appears. Step 3. Type the name of the folder. Step 4. Click on Create. A new folder is created in Google Drive. Move a file or folder. Follow the steps to move a file or folder. Step 1. Select the desired file to move. Step 2. Click on More Action icon. A drop-down menu appears. Step 3. Click on Move to. Step 4. Click on the desired folder to move the selected file. Step 5. Click on Move. The file will move in the particular folder. When we open the folder, we will see that the file is stored in it. Sharing file or folder. After uploading and organizing the files in Google Drive, we can also share these files or folders with our family and friends. Follow the steps to share a file or folder. Step 1. Select and click the desired file or folder to share. Step 2. Click on Share button. Share with others dialog box appears. Step 3. Type the email ID of the receiver. We can share the file to more people by typing their mail IDs. Step 4. Click on Send. A pop-up will appear to confirm the process. Signing out from Google Drive. After finishing the work in Google Drive, we must sign out from it. Follow the steps to sign out from Google Drive. Step 1. Click on Google account icon. A pop-up window appears. Step 2. Click on Sign Out button. The Google Drive window will close. Throwback. With cloud computing, users can access files and use applications from any device that can access the internet. There are many advantages of cloud computing such as reduced costs, space saving, scalability, storage capacity, accessibility, data security and mobility. Characteristics of cloud computing are on-demand self-service, automation, resiliency, availability, multi-tenancy, flexibility, comfortable payment structure, service excellence and resources pooling. Private cloud, public cloud, hybrid cloud and community cloud are the different types of clouds. Services of cloud computing are infrastructure, software, hardware and platform. Google Drive is a cloud storage service developed by Google in which we can store our files online and access them anywhere around the globe.